In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Alph AI. Now, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Alph AI website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out, you will not regret it. Now, once you are on that link and on the website here to actually access it, you can click on the connect button up top right, and then over here you want to click on connect to Telegram, and whenever you do this, it's going to take you to this page where if you have Telegram installed on your computer, you can use the start bot button, but for me, I'm just going to open it in web because I use the web version of Telegram on my computer. And this is going to take you to their bot over here. There we go. And inside the bot, you simply want to click on this button where it says login to website, and then you want to click on the open button. And what this is going to do here is basically going to connect you to Telegram. Now, as you can see, I have now connected with my wallet over here, and I can go ahead and start using Alph AI. So that's how you can access it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.